My name is JD Lutz, here with Lutz Construction, and we are at 1010 Treasure Island. The Parade of Homes is every year annually in the spring. Local builders build houses to show off their work and put houses in for sale that potential customers can come and walk through for a week-long process. This house is a 3-bedroom house, Jack and Jill bedrooms on one side, master bedroom on the other side, with obviously the kitchen in the middle that we did the crown molding all the way up to the ceiling and stuff, with Corian countertops throughout. One of the first things that we did here was the ceiling here. They wanted beams in the living room and the kitchen. Another special feature is we did a screen porch. They're big card players and they wanted to be in the outside atmosphere. We designed the shower here for the homeowners. They wanted to set it up for handicap accessible, which obviously we did with no doors, a walk-in stand-up shower, tile shower. We worked through them through the entire process, from starting before we even built to the final project. We were working with them day to day to make sure that they were fit their needs that they were looking for. Being in the parade's been a great exposure. We usually have about 2,000 people come through the house every year to look at the work and get ideas for themselves, for their own houses.